In this video, guys, we are gonna go from a concept for a women's tracksuit for my clothing brand to a full-on ready-to-go tech pack, and then we're gonna use that tech pack to actually find a manufacturer that's going to be able to produce this tracksuit for us. And I am going to be sharing with you absolutely everything from start to finish. There is no gatekeeping on this channel, and we are gonna be doing it all using Accio. I'm basically gonna sit back, relax, and let Accio do all the work. My name is Teddy G, and I feel like I haven't introduced myself on this channel in a while, but my name is Teddy G, and on this channel I like to share what it's truly like to run a clothing brand, as well as dropping tips, tricks, gems, and all of that good stuff when it comes to business. I must admit, I have been incredibly quiet when it comes to my clothing brand, and I have people in my ear asking me what's happening, when is the next drop, all of those kinds of questions. And if I am perfectly honest with you guys, I have mentioned it before, I am just not that creative. Like, I have been really struggling to come up with new designs in order to keep on top of the clothing brand. And of course, when you come up with new designs, you also need to think about what manufacturer is going to produce those designs to the best quality that you would want for your clothing brand. And once you start dropping new pieces, you kind of have to keep on top of that. People are going to be onto you like, okay, that was nice, I've got that now, what are you dropping next? And honestly, I just feel like I don't have it in me. I'm just a girl. But 2026, it's time to bring myself out of this rut, and Accio is my answer. Accio is basically gonna be like my new employee, so let's put it to work. Let's see what we can really do. Let's see what Accio can really do for me. So I actually want to start off this 2026 by designing a new tracksuit for Chevra Chevra. So Chevra Chevra has always been kind of like gender neutral, but with gender neutral clothes, it tends to like lean more towards a male type silhouette. So before we even start designing anything, we definitely need to carry out a trend analysis and a little bit of market research to ensure that we're actually going in the correct direction, because I am somebody that has got a little bit more experience when it comes to menswear design. So I'm definitely gonna need a little bit of help when it comes to that aspect of things. So we are on the Accio platform, and the first thing I needed to do is carry out that market research. So the prompt that I'm going to put in reads as following: perform a comprehensive trend analysis to determine which women's tracksuit styles will be popular in the winter of 2026. Provide data-backed insights on silhouettes, fabrics, and cultural influences. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop in that prompt, and as you can see here, it says thinking, and I'm going to go ahead and click here where it says search. And as you can see, Accio is currently working on the task that I've set it. It is a Monday morning. I have said to my employee, perform this comprehensive trend analysis, and they are getting to work. As you can see here, it's using Google Trends. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So as you can see, Accio has now completed the trend analysis. I want to just read out this line here. It says the women's tracksuit market for winter 2026 is moving toward hybrid longevity. The top silhouettes are wide leg scuba sets and utility cargo trousers. Color wise, we're looking at lofty white, transformative teal. These are defining shades supported by earthy tones like olive and cocoa powder. So if I click into here, we've got the executive summary, which is basically going to summarize everything. I like this idea here of gym to gallery. Over here, it's got some best-selling styles reflecting what the market is saying. So the tight fitting era is being replaced by the fluid structure. So now that Accio has carried out that research, I have a really good idea as to what direction to go in terms of designing this brand new tracksuit for my clothing brand. I do, however, still want to maintain the vibe of my clothing brand. Like, I don't want us to go like completely left field. I still want it to feel Chevra Chevra. So I'm actually going to use my old design for my men's tracksuit as kind of like a guide, and it will actually be like me and Accio actually designing a brand new tracksuit for women's using the silhouette from Chevra Chevra. So using the previously gathered trend analysis and my past tracksuit design as a foundation, which I'm going to pop in, the design should focus around a fluid structure that was mentioned mentioned, whilst maintaining a quiet luxury aesthetic. I also wanted to create a full production tech pack, including reverse construction, diagrams, front and back, everything that goes into a tech pack. The last thing I need to do is actually attach my tracksuit, which is this. That is what they're going to be basing the design on. So I'm going to go ahead and click search and let's see what they come up with. I'm really intrigued because I feel like Accio always comes up with something different each time, and I'm quite excited to see which direction we actually end up going in. As you can see from the smile on my face, I'm quite impressed. Let's jump into it. What I like about Accio is that it actually shows like the thought process. They've gone ahead and proposed 3 distinct directions. So this is the first direction, which for me just looks like a box standard tracksuit. So that's proposal 1. So this is what they have come up with, and I actually really like the look of that. That looks really good. And then the final concept that they have come up with, that actually looks really good, and I thought I wasn't really into like the cargo aesthetic. So that is proposal 3. The design Accio actually ended up going forward with was this style, which was actually my preferred style. And as you can see, it has produced the flat image for it with descriptors describing parts of the garment. It's also come up with what material we're going to use and what color it's going to come in. We have this, which is basically giving the manufacturer some instructions as to how to put together this garment, and we have this like blown out sketch as well. We do also have a breakdown of some of the other tracksuit designs that they did come up with. I do definitely like this one. This is definitely a design that we could go forward with, and as you can see here, I could go ahead and actually generate a tech pack for this particular garment, but I'm not going to. This is basically the tech pack and technical drawings for the second proposal. All the measurements here, so the measurements for the jacket and the trousers with the tolerance. This is the bill of material. So as you can see here, it has the outer layer, inner layer, zip details, and all of that good stuff. It's also got some manufacturing notes. So these are keynotes that are going to be key to the manufacturer. It's got some compliance and safety analysis. And over here, what I really like is that they've actually put together the next steps. So sample sourcing, of course, it is very important to go ahead and get samples. So the next thing I'm going to ask Accio to do is help me find manufacturers to produce this particular garment. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of different manufacturers that Accio has suggested here. And the great way Accio presents its manufacturers is the fact that you can see here the minimum order quantity of each type of garment that they make. You can also see where they're based, how many years they've been on the platform, and whether or not they are a verified supplier. So I can actually just go ahead and send an inquiry off to these manufacturers. And as you can see here, Accio has actually come up with a draft of the inquiry that we can send over to the manufacturers. The specifications that is specified here is actually for the third proposal, and in here all I'd have to do is adjust what quantity we're looking for. So let's pop in 50, and of course here we would provide the address. For now I'm just going to put UK. I can also attach the tech pack here, and I can actually save this template so that when I send inquiries to other manufacturers, it's pretty easy going. So I've just gone ahead and click send. I've got to go ahead and send another inquiry to another manufacturer. This time I'm going to click here where it says apply template, and I'm going to pop in that template that I already created before and click send. And as you can see up here, we've already got a response from a manufacturer. In fact, I'm going to click here where it says inquiry task, and we can click here where it says view chat, and we can see the chat here. The way this has been set out is a great way to be able to compare different manufacturers, but I'm actually going to ask Accio to put together a comparison of the top 5. As you can see here, Accio has put together a comparison table of different manufacturers. So you can see here it's got the manufacturer name, the product speciality, the unit cost estimated, the minimum order quantity, and the key certificates. It's also put together some key findings, and as you can see here, these are the recommended manufacturers from that comparison table. They've made it so that I can easily just go ahead and click one that suits me, apply my template, and send the inquiry. As you can see, I have already received a response, so I could just go ahead and start chatting with this supplier and hopefully get some samples and get something that I am happy with. So this tracksuit idea, this product, which I had absolutely no idea what it was gonna look like, has basically been brought to life using Accio, and very soon I'm probably gonna be able to get some samples of this tracksuit because Accio has managed to create a tech pack that I've managed to send to a manufacturer, and they are going to be able to produce this garment for me, and I barely had to do anything. That's Accio 2.0. I will put the prompts that I used in this video in the comments, and you can also get a free trial via the link attached in my description. Feel free to share your product idea that you would like Accio 2.0 to source in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you have picked something up and that you're gonna move forward and definitely dive into using Accio, because it is basically like having your own personal assistant within your business. And as you can see, I've actually managed to design a pretty good tracksuit. So yeah, make sure you're commenting Accio, and I will see you in my very next video.